If you were a teenager in the 90s, then you would probably have been amazed by the incredible 8-bit graphics of the games. Let's see how we can make any footage look like those old 90s retro games. This is the look we are going to make today. In the first node, we are going to use the Curves tool to decrease the dynamic range and also add contrast to the clip. Create another node and apply the pencil sketch effect. Check the color sketch box and uncheck the animate box. Increase the stroke strength and length. We will come back to this node to further adjust the settings, but for now add one more node and apply the mosaic blur. Set the pixel frequency to 170. It's time to go back in the previous nodes and play around with the settings. In the first node, increase the saturation and tweak the curves a bit until your footage looks okay to you. Go to the second node and experiment with the sketch tone controls. Of course, every clip is different, so find what settings works better for you. When you are done, create another node, go to the effects library and find the analog damage and apply it to the node. Set the preset to blank, open up the scan lines panel, increase the line sharpness until it's easily visible, set the line frequency to 11 and decrease the sharpness to barely visible. Open up the TV construction panel, check the edge alpha mask and increase the mask curvature. Also add a bit of screen curvature. Preview your clip to see if you need to make any adjustments. The only thing left is to reduce the frame rate of the clip, add a final node and apply the stop motion effect. Any value from 4 to 8 will work fine. If you find this clip useful, make sure to check my other videos to learn more creative effects. Subscribe to this channel and stay tuned.